Hi, everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Friday morning where we have a number of scattered showers and thunderstorms out there this morning. It's a little more widespread than what's being shown here. Most of it is kind of right in here that we're seeing much of this activity this morning. It's pushing to the east-southeast here. So we'll see a number of off and on scattered showers and weak thunderstorms, but it is producing some gusty winds out there. It may turn into more of a drizzle event by this afternoon for parts of central Nebraska. The rain chances will be much lower out west through 5 p.m. though. Right around the Highway 81 corridor and westward, there won't be much, but then there's going to be a warm front right in here in southwest Nebraska, far southwest Nebraska, that's going to be lifting northward, east-northeastward. And the sun's going to try to come out, and then some stronger storms are going to try to develop later this afternoon and this evening. So there could be some severe weather in some of those locations here. I think southwest Nebraska has the best chance. As you go farther east, the threat gets much lower with more stable air in place. And even the chance of rain and thunderstorms is not overly high this week or this evening and overnight tonight for most of us. Just kind of a slight chance of rain and isolated thunderstorms. But as we get into tomorrow, the chances do gradually pick up as the day goes on, and then as we get towards Saturday night, that's one of our better chances of rain overall. Saturday night and into Sunday morning, numerous scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms out there, not a big severe weather threat. Some of that will continue right into our Sunday. So from the Storm Prediction Center, this is pretty much unchanged since yesterday, but I'm really iffy on, basically I'll circle the area I'm iffy on right now. I really don't think we'll see much of a severe weather threat in here. Maybe North Platte's going to be on the very edge of it here. I really think it's mostly these areas here with the best chance of severe thunderstorms here over southwest Nebraska. Main threat, first off, hail. And especially where you get that dashed black line, which means significant hail, that means hail could be over 2 inches in diameter. And again, those same areas that I circled with the best chance right in here, I think that's the best chance of seeing some severe weather. Some damaging wind gusts up around 60 miles per hour, not out of the question. And it's a pretty low threat, but an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out near the Colorado border. Again, most of us probably not seeing severe weather. Tomorrow, the threat's even lower, as really only far southwestern areas have a small chance of severe weather right in here. These are just general showers and thunderstorms, not really a severe weather threat, just a little lightning and thunder within some of the rain that we could potentially see tomorrow and into tomorrow night. Looking at your highs for today, it's going to be a struggle, 50s and 60s for highs, so a cool one out there for your Friday out west, maybe a little warmer in the 70s where that warm front pushes eastward right in here. So a little bit warmer in western Nebraska, and that's what's going to set the stage for that severe weather threat towards the end of the day. Tonight then we'll fall back into the 40s and 50s for lows. Tomorrow looking at mostly 60s for highs, maybe some 50s in parts of the Panhandle, some low 70s in southeast Nebraska. Maybe the warmest of the next 4 days here actually for most of us. Tomorrow night 40s and 50s again for overnight lows as we look ahead to Sunday. A little cooler, 50s and 60s for highs. Sunday night into Monday morning, again 40s and 50s. And then we trend again cooler yet on Monday with more shower chances. A lot of us down into the 50s on Monday, maybe some low 60s. So kind of a cool Memorial Day, possibly soggy as well. Let's take a look at that extended outlook real quick here. And again, I threw in a 100% chance of rain for the Tri-Cities. It does not mean it's going to rain all day. It's just we have a solid chance of rain still the next few hours here. And then that chance will probably come down a little bit this afternoon. More chances of rain and thunderstorms over the weekend. Saturday night's a pretty good chance, some into Sunday maybe, and then maybe even Sunday night into Monday. Still a pretty solid chance of some rain. Tuesday's down to just a slight chance of rain here, but then another system brings a chance Wednesday and possibly into Thursday as well. We do kind of start to warm up a little bit with a general warming trend as we head towards next weekend, which basically is where we say goodbye to May and move into the 1st of June. Hard to believe already that we're getting there. But again, it should warm up a little bit as we get towards the end of next week. North Platte, 40% chance of thunderstorms. You have one that's basically, as of the time I'm recording this, just east of you that popped up here at the 7 o'clock hour. I'm about ready to sneeze, by the way, so I apologize for this. But then, it's coming. I apologize. Most of our day will likely be dry with mostly cloudy skies. As we get towards this evening, then showers and isolated thunderstorms. You're on the very edge of that severe weather threat. More often on rain chances this weekend through early next week. Then we're down to a small chance on Tuesday, a better chance Wednesday. I did keep the chance out for Thursday for now. But also, again, after some cool days ahead, it looks like a warming trend as we head towards the end of next week and that next weekend, which is the final day of May into the first day of June. As of right now, the Climate Prediction Center backing off on our above average forecast going into basically that Friday through Thursday time frame. So again, we may not be overly warm, but keep in mind as we move into early June, average high is getting into the upper 70s. As for precipitation chances, equal chances of above or below average as of right now. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Friday morning. I'll be back with you on Memorial Day morning with all the latest. Take care and God bless. Bye.